Hi everyone, today I am very excited to share with you a review of the NYX Bear With Me skincare and foundation collection. So this is a really unique kind of set of products that I received through ChickAdvisor for my honest review. And I'm pretty happy with how these perform. I'm also really pleased with the direction that kind of the makeup world is going in right now. The look we're trying to achieve here is definitely not a matte look. It's really just a healthy, your skin but better kind of appearance, and that can be easily achieved with these goodies right here. So starting off in the order that I would apply these, we have the Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh Mist, and this is a multitasking spray. It's sensitive skin friendly, and it's a beautiful big bottle like this. This really reminds me of the Clinique, what's it called, Moisture Surge Face Spray. I'll show you how this works. I haven't actually applied any aside from in the morning. This is a great product to prep your skin, so after you apply your moisturizer, your skin might feel not dry, but just like it needs a bit of refresh before your makeup. This is a great option. So the mist is quite fine but direct. I really like how direct it is because you can feel where it's going and kind of position accordingly, and it doesn't feel like it's all the way out here. So this is a beautiful mist, a really nice affordable option for you. I'll link all the prices in the description of this video. So I like this product because, as you can see right there, you can also use it midday to refresh, reset, and kind of rejuvenate your complexion. Moving into the Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. This is such a cool product. If you tap it on the side, you can feel it bouncing around in there. So it's this beautiful pink jar. It looks very luxe. Kind of has Glossier vibes. Then it has one of those seals. Then look, looks empty probably. This is literally a jello. It's a jelly primer, so I'll pull a little bit out. You actually almost have to crush it like you would jello. And then you massage it onto the skin and it starts to melt. It kind of melts into a really plumping, hyaluronic acid rich priming base, and it essentially just gives your skin a little bit of life. I've been loving this movement towards hyaluronic acid under my makeup. So a serum, a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid in it. It's just so foolproof. It increases the water content in your skin. Now, something to remember is that hyaluronic acid, it holds a lot of water in the molecules. So make sure that you are hydrated yourself and that your skin isn't parched to begin with, because hyaluronic acid can actually pull moisture from your skin. I think this is cool. If sensation is a little bit sticky afterwards, it just kind of comes with the nature of hyaluronic acid rich products. But it does give your makeup something to cling to, so your foundation won't slide around too much. Now, the pièce de résistance is the Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. What I thought was really interesting about this collection is that it claims to have up to 8-hour wear. That's not very long if you're a busy person like myself. So if I put this on at 7 o'clock, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, by the end of my day at 4 or 5 p.m., this is pretty much saying that it's kind of done. So that's fine, because at that point you can retouch your makeup. I'm wearing this today and I put it on actually probably around 10 a.m. so this is at its prime. I like how this applies. It actually is quite pigmented. Comes in a nice squeezy tube. I have the shade Vanilla Nude. So you squeeze some out and it has a lot of great pigmentation. Here is a before and after. It's a pretty thick consistency, it blends well, and has a decent amount of coverage. I do find that it's easy to move around, and it doesn't dry down to a finish that is like glue. You know how some foundations, once it sets, it's not moving anywhere? This is actually kind of a movable foundation, so that if it starts to collect, around your eyes or under your where your glasses sit or something, you can kind of just tap it out throughout the day and reposition your makeup. It's not that it doesn't set, it just stays dewy and lifelike. It's not a mask. So that's a really nice product. I do like to set it with powder because it doesn't dry down to a matte finish by any means. And I also do need concealer with it. You can't pass this one. It doesn't have full coverage. I'd say it's probably a light to medium coverage. And I wouldn't recommend building this up too much. It should really just be used as a light coverage for daily use. There's no SPF in here, just a luminous, non-streaky, breathable base. I don't get breakouts when I use this, and my skin generally looks really good, really happy, and this is a nice match. It does pull more yellow tone, this vanilla nude shade, and I'm really pleased. So there are more products in the collection. There's a brow product, and I think this is, oh yeah, the Sativa Seed Lip Conditioner. You can find these products at the NYX store. I know there's one on Queen West in Toronto and Square One in Mississauga, or online. You can find NYX at Rexall and probably some Shoppers Drug Marts too. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review, and I will see you all soon. Bye!